Hey guys, welcome back. I hope you can hear me because it's a little bit chilly out here. But this is where we're gonna fish. This place is called Olson Park. It is in Algoma. So here's the plan. I got a new kayak. Now this kayak is pedal, so I won't have to, roll with my hands anymore like I used to with my previous one. Let me show you guys on a drone how this area looks, because the only place, or should I say the only place I fished here before is over there, and I caught pretty good size bowfin. Now I never caught a bowfin before. I was going originally for pike, but there's definitely a lot of bass, a lot of pike and bowfin. So yeah, let me get this set up and let me whip out the drone and show you guys around. It just took me like an hour to get this thing set up. Okay, now we're all good. We got a tree. Alright, so today we're gonna be using this Garcia Baitcaster with top water. I don't even know what this is. This is Weston. Alright. We're gonna try go under the tree. I never done that before. Uh-oh, whiplash. Great. Pretty cool lure. I got it in the mystery box. What I like to do is kind of like reel stop, so that way the fish gets time to actually bite it. When I caught that bowfin, I did literally the exact same thing. Alright, I gotta get out of here. Takes kind of a long time to turn. Not sure why. Now it's pretty deep here as well. Used to have a teacher. He showed me about this spot, and he said to be careful because it's really deep, and a lot of people actually drowned here. So we're gonna not take chances to go crazy. Missed one. Holy shit, like right there. You see the ripples? You look pretty big. Please come back, please come back, please come back, please come back. Please come back. Damn, that thing looked big. That noise kind of scared me, not gonna lie. I thought it was a fish. Dang it! I'm not even sure what it was. It looked like a pike or something. Maybe a bass. That would be a huge bass. Got stuck in the weeds. This is why this is my new favorite spot, because I'm pretty sure there's big ones in here. Maybe they want me to just reel instead of just like reel stop. Make bunch of noise and then a blowout. I set the hook too early. Or maybe he just missed, because I didn't feel him pull or anything. I'm just gonna go ham this time. So I'm gonna keep reeling, no stopping. Something's gotta bite. At least try. What is that? Are those ducklings? I think there was a fish too as well. I need a frog, definitely need a frog. I'm gonna go up to that bridge, try on the bridge. Last year I was just like this, in shorts, in short sleeve or t-shirt, and I was there for about 10 hours fishing, like literally on one spot, just sitting there. And a couple days later I got big blisters to the point where I couldn't walk, on my feet, on my legs, on my arm, everywhere. And I had to call into work because I literally couldn't stand up. That's how bad it is. That's why, you know, today isn't that hot. It's kind of windy, so I didn't really took any long sleeves. But yeah, make sure you are protecting yourself at all the times, because this ain't a joke. So I'm just looking out for you. Just don't make my mistake, pretty much. Oh, you guys saw that? You guys saw that? Come back, come back. Come back. He probably saw us, but come back. Come back. Come back, come back, come back. Please come back. Damn, these fish are blind for sure. They're literally missing. Oh, got him. Yes. No. It. I think he swam towards me and I couldn't find this thing, the reel. Discharge. Oh, so this pump discharges water at any time. What kind of water? That nasty water. This is legit here. If you're working at that factory, take a break, come fish, go back to work. First fish, literally took it right here by the boat. Oh, she stinks. She stinks. I have a net. Almost got me in a leg too. Yep, you did it to yourself, buddy. Right in the gill. Slimy. Alright, here we go. Get out of here. Yep, definitely smells. Everything smells like pike. Not cool. Oh no. Hey, back to the same bridge. Over there, I tried everywhere, didn't catch nothing, not even a blowout. So we're coming back to that spot where we missed like 30 fish. Well, just missed another fish right over there, and that thing was huge. I had to change the battery. That's the second battery that we have. I think I have 5 more. I'm getting that fish. Kind of want to change the bait, but I want to at least catch a nice one. Let me switch to another Whopper Plopper, see if it's gonna work. Maybe this one needs a little rest. I feel like this part right here got bent or something. You see how it's like not straight? I don't know if it's supposed to be like that or not, but we're gonna switch it. I want to try this guy. Well, not really, because there's a lot of this. Either this guy. Oh, I lost that one. Never mind. I used to have the Google one too. Okay, frog. I'm gonna stand up to. Oh yeah. You spin me right around, baby, right around. Yeah, I can't stand like that. Too wavy. No balance. Oh, you guys saw that? I thought he took it for a second. Thought he wanted round 2. I guess not. Looks small, but maybe. Oh, there we go. Shh. Okay, nothing here. We're going back out in the ocean. You see all those little lines? That's our trails. Kinda cool. Kinda. Oh, that's a turtle. Hey, little guy. Wait. Let me see you. He ran away. Back to the ocean. Good thing it didn't backlash. Oh, well, there's my frog over there. Let's go grab it. I don't even know what happened. Just thinking, good things a fish didn't jump and eat it, because that would be bad. I lose my lure and the fish loses its sanity. I missed it. Back out. Come here, you. I think that's a turtle. Ah. There we go, there's water. I'm messing with the bird's nest right here. Terrible, terrible. I think I'm gonna cut it, but here you go. There's the water. I thought it's gonna shoot like all the way over there, but still cool. Little waterfall. Okay, so we switched to this little guy. This plastic is kind of bad, but let's see if we can catch anything. I have better ones. It was closer to the hand. I really want to get that monster that was trying to eat our Whopper, Plopper, Popper, Whopper, Popper, Whopper, Plopper. Yeah. I got a fish. I got a fish. Pike. Oh shoot. Whoa. No, don't go under. There you go. Well, that's a better one. Relax. Whew. That's a better one, and I have a hole in my I think in my net. I can't tell the difference between a pike and pickerel, so if I say that it's pike and it's pickerel, sorry. Not really. Damn, these pikes smell like ass. Like straight up ass. Whoa. Where's the that hold on, oh there it is. There it is. Got him in the lip. Man, these pliers suck. Let her go. There we go. My whole arm is not gonna stink. Oh well. All right. Maybe like a, I don't know, 17. And he's gone. Oh, another one. Ooh. Oh, that was a bass.
Oh, that was a bass.
Shoot. Well, this thing actually works. Is this considered a spinner, or what is this? I don't know what this is called, to be honest. I'll look it up when I get home. Okay, I need that bass and then I go pee. Man, top water, it's fun, but we missed so many. We only caught one little pike on that. Was it frog or was it the Whopper, Popper, Bobbler? I feel like I'm saying it wrong because what is that Wendy's sandwich called? Popper? Whopper. No, Whopper. Anyway, let's catch the bass. Just jiggle like that. And then whoa! Come on, bass, you know you want it. I don't even know what time it is. It's gotta be like 3 based on the sun. I guess it 4:28. Let me whip out my phone. And it's 2:50. Way off. Means good. We have more time. Oh, got him. That's gotta be, that's pike, definitely pike. Damn, taking a drag. Whew, that's cold. Oh, that's a darker one. It looked like for a second same size as last one. Alright, you can relax now, okay? He said yeah. Yeah, so this lure works good on pike. Good to know. Oh, cool. Almost lost him. Alright. There we go. Yeah, same size as last one. A little bit fatter. Ooh, he has like a weird mark on him. Well, we got 3 pikes so far and no bass. We got only pikes, which is I'm happy with. I don't complain. I can finally understand how pike feels when it bites, but it's only for today. I'll forget it by tomorrow. Oh, I think it was just weeds. I thought I had a bite. Kinda getting hungry, not gonna lie. But I like fishing too much. We're going on a, what's it called when you don't eat for a while? Under that tree lives, oh, I had a bite. Definitely a bite. Probably pike again. Got him. Ooh, Yeah, that's pike. Oh, he went under. He just bumped into the damn kayak. Ooh, that's a nice one too. I think that's a bigger one than the last two. Cool. Got him like almost hooked. Damn, relax. There we go. Definitely scratched me. All right, here you go. Another nice pike. Yeah, definitely bigger than the last one, I think. Maybe a little fatter. All right, we are on our third battery. We've been here for like 4 hours. So that's pretty good. And we've got 4 fish. Maybe I gotta switch tactics for bass. But no, we hooked a bass on this thing before. I can't tell if that's fish or what. Yeah, it is. What the hell is that? Well, what the hell? What? I never seen that before. Oh. Well, it's cool. He's like yellow and stuff, but like I never would have thought I'd catch this guy on this lure. Poor thing. Well, there you go. When I hooked it at first, I thought it was weeds, but then it started shaking a little bit. I'm like, oh shoot. Well, so far we caught 2 species. If we catch a bass, that's gonna be 3. Would be cool to catch a bowfin. I might go to the same spot that I caught him before, and he might be on the same spot. Maybe we're gonna get a bowfin as well. I'm actually curious to try it too. Oh, shoot. Oh, that's a tree snag. There's like a lot of people I hear, oh, don't eat bass, blah blah blah, it's too fishy, or don't eat carp. Carp is actually really good in like European countries too. Like we eat it as pretty much as a regular fish, as a, I don't know what people like, salmon here or something. But a lot of people like crappies. I've eaten a crappie and it's not my thing. The meat was kind of mushy. It was like bleh. Yeah, I would rather get fed on carp. It's nice, oily. You can make soup out of it too. Okay, well, I came back to the same place. I couldn't catch nothing on the over there where I was. I tried everything. I tried Senkos, I tried top water, this bait as well, and I just couldn't catch anything. Ooh. Wait, I have a fish on. What the heck? That's a bass. Yes! Oh no, wait, that's not bass. That's a... This is what I was waiting for. This is... What's it called? A bowfin. Finally. Yes! Let's go! This is what I came for. Wow, he took it, that one. Look at that. I don't know how I'm gonna get this out. Look over there. He has a nice spot over there too. Man, how am I gonna take that out? Okay, he tangled himself up in this thing. That's not good. There we go. There we go, another pike. Jesus. Oh, no way I got bit. What is this? Yeah, perch. That's a nice size perch, honestly. Man, this is multi-species episode this time. Wow, okay. Well, it's pretty good size perch, man. Kinda wanna keep it. Oh yeah, I got him in the gill. Man, look at this. It's honestly pretty good size. Oh. Chill, 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 chill. Alright, here you go. We got bullhead, perch, bowfin, pike, but no bass. Man. Sun is getting down. Might as well just head out. One more fish and I'm heading out. It's gotta be a bass. Nope, that's a pike. Definitely a pike. Reel. Whoa, that's a nice size. Never mind. A bit bigger than the ones that we caught. Definitely bigger. Let's go. I don't even know if that's like a 7th pike, 6th pike. What's up, buddy? Okay, this is a pike episode, I guess. Let's see, where did I hook him? On the top. Please don't jump. I'm trying to unhook it, you know? Okay, hold on. Oh, interesting. Thanks, I guess. I shouldn't. I hooked him twice in both nostrils. Okay, there's one nostril. Now the second one. Yes, let's go. A lot of slime. Nice pike. Uh-oh. Please be alive. If not, I'm gonna have to keep you. Come on, dude. There we go. Okay, well, the memory card is almost full. It's a nice day, definitely. No bass. At least we got 4 species. 3 species, right? No, 4. Bullhead, perch, pike, and bowfin. There you go, 4. There we go. Unfortunately, no bass. That will be a 5th one, but next time though, for sure. You see all this slime. Anyway, make sure you hit that like button. Make sure you subscribe. Come on, we can do this all day, every day, if we're not stuck at work. Okay? All right, so help me, help you. I'm gonna make more videos, and you subscribe. Make sure you subscribe. All right, peace.